Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security and today is Free Advice Friday. Security is good for me, CCTV can help me see who is outside my house. Is it a bear or a mouse? The intercom has been alright, we can see who's called tonight. So who is stood at my door? Is it a friend or the law? Security is good for you. We'll give advice on what to do. So check out our past videos. Our knowledge will then all be yours. Security, security.
It's good for me. It's good for me.
It's good for me. It's good for me. Security. Security is good for me, it's good for me.